Start 80 words per minute. Speed. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I am aware of the criticism and opposition that some of the proposals have been called for. During the past few days, I have had the benefit of the views of the leaders of various parties, including our party. In view of the strong feeling expressed, I have decided to modify some of the original proposals. I am withdrawing the proposals for all increase in second class fares. There will be no increase in the second class fares. There will be no increase in second class tickets, whether it is ordinary passenger or mail or express train. The second class sleeper charges will continue at the existing tariff. There would also be no increase in urban and rural monthly season tickets, all of which will continue at the existing rates. I am also withdrawing the proposal for increasing the price of platform tickets. This will continue to be available at the existing rate. The proposals of higher classes, including second class air conditioned coaches, will stand as proposed, except the minimum fare for first class as provided in the original proposals. In the case of goods traffic, I am withdrawing my proposals for the adjustment of freight rates in respect of food grains, including pulses, which will continue to move at the existing rates. I am also withdrawing the proposed increase in parcel charges of goods. The combined effect of these withdrawals will be a net decrease to the extent of 10 crores of rupees in the additional revenue expected for the year. With the revised proposals, the contribution of the railways to the first 2 years of the plan would have been only 40 crores of rupees. This means that if the plan has to be put through as originally envisaged, we have to raise the freight charges in the remaining years of the plan. The railway minister is thus confronted with a crucial situation. I can say for myself that during my brief contact with the affairs of the railways, I have gathered the impression that there is an enormous scope to be made up with regard to the legitimate needs of the people in all parts of the country. We must secure additional coaches to reduce overcrowding. In all areas, there is an urgent need for construction of new lines and also gauge conversion of existing lines. Uneconomic lines have a claim on revenue of railways, and in several other directions there is need for improvement. Because of paucity of resources, the railways are faced with the prospect of having to curtail the expenditure even their normal activity. Very little will be available out of the funds of the railways to meet the rapidly expanding requirements of developments in various directions. You will appreciate that at the present juncture, railways are not in a position to extend the goods in large quantities for want of sufficient number of wagons. In this context, I wish to assure this august House that the railways will, on their part, make the utmost effort to effect economize in expenditure and do their best to raise the level of efficiency and stop leakages of revenue. But we have also to do everything possible to augment our resources in other ways. For this, I count on the support and cooperation of all the members of the House. Gentlemen, allow me to present to you our latest carpet material. You will see immediately from the enclosed samples and price list that this is something exceptional. No other material now in the market or expected in the market in the near future offers such a pleasing appearance and such a fabric at such a low cost. The material has other advantages besides those that are obvious at first inspection. One of these is its joinability in covering a floor space with strips of plain or repetitive pattern carpet. There was once a danger of ugly lines appearing where the strips met. Our experts have found out a new solution to this old problem, and when our representative next visits your department, he will be glad to prove to you by actual demonstration that strips of your material can be joined without leaving any visible line at the border. This material will not burn and can be easily washed. It is not damaged even after it is used constantly and roughly. Also, its durability under crushing and scraping pressure is reliable. The samples sent do not compromise the whole range of colors and patterns available. The carpets are now available in any size, both in plain and designs, and in attractive colors. Our representative can show you a complete set when he makes his trip to your place. We look forward to the pleasure of executing your order. Yours faithfully. Thank you.